Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rotate text on Canva quickly, easily, and with total precision. Whether you're creating a poster, social media graphic, or any other creative project, knowing how to adjust your text angle can make your designs pop and give them that professional touch. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have your design open. You can either create a new design or pick an existing one where you want to rotate your text. Once your design is ready, click on the text box you want to rotate. You'll see a highlighted border appear around the text, showing that it's selected. This is your starting point for moving, resizing, or rotating your text. Now, take a close look at the border of your text box. You should see a small circular arrow icon. This is the rotate tool. Depending on your layout, it's usually just above or below your text box. To rotate, click and hold that circular rotate icon. While holding it down, drag your mouse in the direction you want the text to turn. Move clockwise for one angle or counterclockwise for another. As you drag, the text rotates freely around the center pivot point, letting you fine-tune the tilt exactly how you want it. Once you're happy with the angle, just release the mouse and your text stays in place. And if it's not perfect the first time, no problem. Canva makes it super easy to adjust again until your design looks just right. Rotating text isn't just a basic skill, it's a powerful tool to add personality and emphasis to your designs. Whether you're giving your typography a playful twist or highlighting a key message, experimenting with angles can really make your work stand out. So go ahead, try different rotations, and see how it transforms your designs. Thanks so much for watching, and happy designing.